Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to remove people and objects from iPhone photos. First thing first, open the Photos app and choose the image you want to edit. Tap Edit in the top right corner, then select the Retouch or Erase icon. It looks like a circle with sparkles on stars. You'll find it under Retouch or Erase. Use your finger to highlight or tap the object you want to remove. The iPhone automatically detects the object's edges and erases it. Now tap Done to save your edits, and if the result isn't perfect, just tap Undo arrow and try again. Just a tip, pinch to zoom for more precision on smaller areas. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.